अस्सलाम वालेकुम बच्चों। जैसे तुझ पाए पर इंग्लिश लेसन 3 क्वेश्चन कर स्टार्ट तो रना पर कॉन्फ्रेंस क्लास मज तो आज पो तम ब्रो कुन बयाना अम ब्रो कि करो रीडिंग स्टार्ट गो वो तो बहुत बे तम 3 क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द राइट टाइम टू बिगिन समथिंग गोड़ क्वेश्चन दोम क्वेश्चन विच पीपल शुड ही लिसन टू तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 what is the most important thing for him to do तो आज पर अम ब्रो कुन बयाना गोड़ करो अमिच रीडिंग in their answers to the second question some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said the priestess, a few others chose the doctors, and yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. To the third question, some said science, others chose fighting, and yet others religious worship. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was all old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right things at the right time? Who are the people I need most, and what affairs are the most important? The hermit listened to the king but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take the spade and work in your place. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade, and said, Now you rest and let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise man, for an answer to my question. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Here comes something running, said the hermit. The king turned around and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed it and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood would not stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. In their answers to the second question, the question was answer differently. Some said that people most necessary to the king were his counselors. तम लोग यम जन चन काउंसलर्स तम चान खतर जरूरी यानी कि यम चान मजलिस रुकन तम चान खतर जरूरी. Others said क्या वन priestess, a few others choose the doctors क्या वन doctors, and others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. तो अड़े वन दोपस यम जन चान सोल्जर्स सिपाही तम चान खतर most necessary यानी कि ज़्यादा ज़रूरी. To the third question, use the same question was after the answer differently. Some said science के important things science, others choose fighting के fighting, and yet others religious worship अड़े वन मजहबी इबादत. As the answers to his questions were so different, चूँकि यम answers इन question अलग अलग. The king was not satisfied. King was not satisfied and gave no reward. Instead, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit. Barakas karim kam do basinyam mashur ikis nafrasun temishna hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. Usan pani ilmu said sada mashur chu. The hermit lived in a wood. Hermit was jungles which he never left to use name. He saw no one but simple people was the simple look all up. And so the king put on ordinary clothes. The king like ordinary clothes before he reached the hermit's hut. Embroidered what him this hut's niche, niche. The king left his horse with his bodyguard, threw one horse on his bodyguard's wall and went on alone to go Kunuzuni. As the king came near the hermit's hut, if the king would this hut's nazdik, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. Which hermit panis hut's broken zameen khana. He greeted the king, king's badshah salam, and continued digging. Road continued khana zameen. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. चूँकि हरमत सड़ा कमज़ोर पे बड़ तो युथी कम करा तवे खसान शांश. The king went up to the hermit and said, king go hermit nish to I have come to you about finish wise hermit edana hermita to ask you to answer 3 questions. So the man niman 3 सवाल हों जवाब 3 सवाल क्या है. How can I learn to do the right things at the right time? Bukit kan hesh asal cheez karan asal time is right time is who are the people I need most kam log mein khadar zyada zaruri and what affairs are the most important the kam affairs kam cheez mein khadar zaruri. The hermit listened to the king. Hermit chemis boza but did not speak. Ishan magar kat kara wapas king. He went on digging digging kara khana zameen. You are tired, said the king. Bacha suna to thoko. Let me take the spade को बेल्च पन बेल्च यूर एंड वर्क इन यूर प्लेस बह कर चाहे कम. Thank said the hermit. Hermit's kora shukriya, giving the king his spade. Then was pun spade. Then he sat down on the ground. The hermit was pathar kara tamana. When the king had dug 2 beds, king asked the bed chukana. He stopped each kara rakna base stop kara and repeat his question. Base kara pan question repeat. The hermit gave no answer. Hermit ne answer kaha jawab deते वहाँ but stood up. The botan stood stretching out his hand. The darashimis asked for the spade. The sebel ju and said, "Manashus, now you rest. Badshah shwana, bukar rest, and let me work. Book be come." But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. Mar badshah bilji dema wakenti kara continue digging. 1 hour passed. Aganta go, then another back to go. The sun went down behind the trees after the Kokulunsai, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, "At last she." Chupkawa Zameen Swati Bilchuta Monashus. I came to you about finish wise when Edana and Sana for an answer to my questions. Panan question Jawab Sanakadar. If you can give me no answer, Agaran Sahag that answer, can tell me so 1 miti and I will return home near Wapas Gar. Here comes something running, said the hermit. Hermit Sana Kathanish or Dora Pagan. The king turned around. King Kurt Thoda Panupan turn and saw a bearded man running towards them, in which Agdal racial insan Imunukun. Dora Paka, his hands were pressed against his stomach. I'm sure stomach was spun opposite a thought Thomas from which blood was flowing in Kunus Nera when he reached. The king, Ili Badshah's his vote, he fainted, behosh, and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothes and found a large wound in his stomach. The hermit, the Badshah, was cutting his follow never. The emotion in his stomach spread. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief. Badshah kore में से साफ तो इनको cover जख्म पानी handkerchief से पानी रुमाल से but the blood would not stop flowing मगर ये खून से मुझे रखा कि the king retraced king कराइम सुधी wound retraced until at last the bleeding stopped. Its scholars imsuji bleeding stop. Guy imsuji its scholars खून बंद go.